Subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. In this video, I am going to tell you about the refurbished smartphone. Most of the people think that the refurbished smartphones are just like a normal second-hand smartphone, but you are wrong. I am going to tell you actually what are these refurbished smartphones and should you buy this refurbished smartphone? Yeah, I'll answer that question in this video, so let's get started. As I told you, a refurbished smartphone is not like a normal second-hand smartphone. When a customer tries to buy a new smartphone and after a couple of days he might have changed his mindset, and when he again return that smartphone, then this smartphone will be considered as the refurbished smartphone. Because before selling that smartphone again into the market, the manufacturer or the retailer will ensure that the smartphone has no faults in it, and if at all there are faults, they try to repair that faults and then they try to sell this mobile phone again with a certain standard level. So when the smartphone which is selling for the second time or the third time, then that smartphone will be considered as the refurbished smartphone. There are advantages and disadvantages of using the refurbished smartphone. First of all, if you see the advantages of the refurbished smartphone, these refurbished smartphones will be a lot cheaper when we compare to the normal smartphone. These refurbished smartphones professionally will be checked and repaired, unlike a typical second-hand smartphone. Including these advantages, there are also disadvantages of using the refurbished smartphones. The first thing is that these refurbished smartphones will not come with a long time warranty period. Yes, when we compare to the normal smartphone, these refurbished smartphones will have the shorter time warranty period. If your smartphone is just broken down, then you have to just pay again extra money to just repair the smartphone, because warranty period will be very shorter. And the second thing is that before selling these refurbished smartphones, the manufacturers or the retailers will give a grade of refurbishment. So depending on this grade of refurbishment, the smartphone might be having the scratches, or the smartphone might be broken in some of the areas which cannot be repaired. And the main disadvantage of buying the refurbished smartphones is that if you want to buy the latest refurbished smartphone, then you have to wait for a while, because the refurbished smartphones will be coming into the market after 3 to 4 months. Because if the smartphone is launched just 1 week back, you might be not getting the refurbished model of that particular smartphone. Finally, should you buy a refurbished smartphone? Maybe not, because if your budget is strictly around the refurbished smartphone, then you might choose it. But if you just keep 2000 or 3000 rupees extra, you might be getting a new smartphone, new latest smartphone that might be way better than this refurbished smartphone. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to watch this video out there, because it will be way more interesting. And that's it from me today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.